amigos, bienvenidos a Palatable Provisions. Mi nombre es Jonathan, conmigo mi esposo Eric. Feliz Cinco de Mayo. We have a special treat in store for you today. I know it's not a day that we usually post, but we're so excited to celebrate Cinco de Mayo with you and make a yummy margarita. Now, before we get started with our margarita, we're going to be using a very special tequila. It's a Jose Cuervo Platino, which was it's a handcrafted tequila, and it's their Reserve brand. It is a white tequila, as you can see. It's very clear, it's very light. And it was a gift to Eric many, many moons ago from someone that worked for him. So we figured, since we're just hanging out at home, why not use this special day, which isn't really a special day, but that's a whole nother video that we're not going to get into today, about the origins of Cinco de Mayo. But we figured it's Tuesday, might as well have a cocktail together and share it with all of you. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make our Cinco de Mayo Margarita. What I love about this margarita recipe is that it's super easy. So you can scale it up or scale it down based on how many margaritas you need to make. All you need to remember is that the tequila proportion is double the amount of your other two ingredients, which is your fresh squeezed lime juice and your triple sec. So we're going to be making one margarita, and we're going to be using 3 parts tequila and 1.5 of each of the other two ingredients. So it's easy math, thank God. All right, so to begin, I've got one very large ice cube here, which we're gonna serve our drink over, but I'm going to mix it in this shaker so I can meld all the flavors together. So I've also got some ice in there. All right, so we're gonna take our 3 parts tequila. There's 2 and 3. And then we're going to do 1.5 freshly squeezed lime juice. Now please don't use a mix because they're too sour. This is going to be very refreshing. And then we're going to do 1.5 triple sec. Gonna put on our cover. Give it a shake. And then, my friends, we are ready to serve. Now, if you're making this for a big crowd, I recommend making it in a pitcher. You can also do that. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're just going to garnish it with a lime. Well, gracias for coming to visit us today. We really appreciate your time. We hope that you're having a very safe Cinco de Mayo and that you're not drinking too many margaritas. But then again, I'm staying home, so I'm gonna drink too many of them anyway. Cheers. Salud.